Good morning, everyone. I am here to talk to you today about law of sine, kind of refresh our memory over law of sine. I hope you guys are doing well, and hopefully this will help you. So if you remember the law of sine, if we have a triangle, ABC, remember our side lengths, A is across from little a, B is across from, little a is across from big A, little b across from big B, and little c across from big C. And sine of A over A is equivalent to sine of B over B, which is also equivalent to sine of C over C. So if this is our triangle, we have triangle ABC. Angle A is 115 degrees. Across from A is 20. Across from B is 11. And we do not know angle C or side length C. So with law of sine, if I asked you to solve the triangle, you would set it up and we would have to do our sine of 115 over 20. And it's set equal to, we're forced to find B because we know the 11. So sine of B over 11. And then we cross multiply. And so we get 11 sine of 115 is equal to 20 sine of B when I cross multiply. And then we need to get our sine of B by itself. So we're going to divide by 20 on both sides. So our 20 cancels, and we have the sine of B is equal to 11 sine of 115 over 20. And then because we're finding an angle, if you recall, we have to do our inverse sine. And when we type that into our calculator, we end up getting B rounded to the nearest tenth is 29.9 degrees. And now that we know angle B, we can find angle C because of our rule of 180. Sum of triangle adds to 180. So we're going to take 180 minus our 115 and our 29.9. And we get the measure of angle C is 35.1. So there's those two. And then the last thing we have to find is our side length C. And so our side length C, we can set it up again using law of sine. Excuse me. So we have sine of 115 over 20 is equal to the sine of 35.1 over C. And then when we solve this, we cross multiply, and I have C sine of 115 is equal to 20. I'm going to erase this because I'm running out of space here. Sine of 35.1. And then to get C by itself, we're going to divide by the sine of 115 on both sides. That cancels out, and we find little c when we divide by 1.5 is 12, when we divide by the sine of 115 is 12.7. So we have now solved the triangle. We have found the three missing pieces. Hope that helps.